In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link settings to restricted in Google Drive. Locking down a file to restricted is a simple way to make sure that only the people you explicitly allow can open it. If a link has been floating around or you're working with something sensitive, setting it to restricted ensures the link won't work for anyone who hasn't been granted access. Start by logging in to Google Drive in your web browser. If you use more than one Google account, double check that you're in the right one so you're adjusting the correct file. Once you're in, find the file you want to edit. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top. Remember, this change applies to the specific item you select, so be sure you've picked the right document, spreadsheet, slide deck, or folder. Right-click on the file to open the menu. From there, go to Share and then click Share. This opens the sharing window, where all the access settings live. You'll see a section labeled General Access. It might currently say anyone with the link or show something like your organization's name if you're using a work or school account. To tighten things up, you'll adjust the general restrictions. Click the drop-down in the General Access section to view the available options. Now change it to Restricted. When you select Restricted, you're telling Google Drive that the link alone should no longer grant access. Only people who have been explicitly granted permission will be able to open the file. A quick note about what this means in practice. Switching to Restricted removes broad link-based access, but it does not kick out individuals you've already shared the file with directly. Those people keep their existing level of access. What you're removing is the open door that a link might have provided to anyone else. You'll know it worked when the General Access label updates to Restricted. That's your confirmation that the link won't work for others. If you're doing this for a folder, be aware that items inside may inherit its settings, depending on how sharing was previously set up. Also, if you're using an account managed by an organization, some options may look a little different because of admin policies. That's it. You logged into Google Drive, went to the file you want to edit, right-clicked, went to Share, clicked Share, adjusted the general restrictions, and changed it to Restricted. With that done, your file is now locked down to only the people you choose.